Welcome back to POD with Kawa, your one-stop destination for everything you need to know for making passive income and print-on-demand business. Now, before we start our video, I have a question for you. Are you struggling to rank your designs on Zazzle and not sure what you are doing wrong? If the answer is yes, then you're at the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how to find tags and use them to rank your designs higher in the search results. So now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before we move on to tags and keywords research, let's first understand what tags are. This section is for beginners who don't know what tags are and how to use them. So if you are not a complete beginner, you can skip this section. Tags are keywords or phrases that you associate with your designs to help users discover them more easily. Tags play a crucial role in the search and discoverability of your products. Here's why they are important. The first point is search visibility. Tags are used by the platform's search algorithm to match user queries with relevant products. When a potential buyer searches for something specific, well-chosen tags increase the likelihood that your design will appear in their search results. The next point is categorization. Tags help categorize your designs into relevant themes or topics. This helps users browse through specific categories and find products that match their interests. The last point is the target audience. Tags allow you to target specific audiences. If you use relevant tags that describe your design accurately, you're more likely to attract the attention of people interested in those subjects. And they are just not all. There are still more advantages of using tags properly. Zazzle has also recommended ways to use tags in their article. Here in this article, Zazzle explained the importance of tags and how you should use them. These are some do's and don'ts when adding tags to your design, and it's highly recommended to pause the video and read them once as it will increase your chances of getting sales. These tips will be effective as Zazzle itself has made these according to their algorithm. But before we move on to tag research, there are some things I would like you to keep in mind while researching for tags. This is the tags section of Zazzle. Here you can add a maximum of 10 tags with the word limit of 500. We mainly have to keep in mind these points while researching for tags. Our tags should be descriptive, so that defines our product, for example, including the theme and the color of the design. Like for a product which is a Halloween orange party hat, the theme or occasion is Halloween and the color is orange. Always try to make use of all the tag spaces, and for long tail tags, use space between them and not underscore or connect two or more words. Now that we understand everything about tags, let's see how you can find relevant tags for your design. I will show you some ways and websites that will be helpful in finding the best tags. So, let's check out our first way of finding tags. The first way you can find tags is by using Zazzle itself. Like here I search for Halloween men's shirt, and then we can collect keywords from the title of the best ranked designs, or look for a keyword that may describe your design. Another thing you can do to find keywords is like I'm doing here. You can just search any term and Zazzle will show you most searched or popular terms at the top of the page. You can use these terms for finding your next niche as well as for your design tags. Another way to find tags is from other sellers' products. You can open products that are similar to your products and scroll all the way down to the tag section and copy their tags. However, I recommend you to only pick tags which are suitable to your design and not the irrelevant ones. Most people try to find tags through this way, and it sure is effective. The next way to find tags is with the help of this website called muzz.com. You can search any term and this website will give you a lot of data such as monthly search volume, difficulty of ranking, click-through rate and many more stats. But most importantly, it will give you a lot of suggested keywords also with their stats. To try this website, I'm giving it a search term related to Halloween. That's Hocus Pocus. And it will give us all the details to consider if the tag is relevant or not and would help in ranking or not. Then we can click on See All Suggestions to check more keywords. Here you can use many filters to sort out the best keywords and tags. You can also find long tail tags with their monthly search volume. As you can see, there are just a huge amount of keywords and tags. However, it's always better to use tags with less competition and high search volume. Next, we have a very useful and one of my favorite websites for finding tags and keywords. eRank is one of the best keyword research websites out there. It allows you to check the demand of the keywords in different countries and different marketplaces. But I recommend you to set it as Google Shopping to check what people are searching on the overall internet. Here I've searched for Halloween, and as you can see, it has given us a lot of useful information to help us in finding the right keywords for our product. Similar to the last site, eRank also gives a huge number of keywords with their average searches, average clicks, CTR, and more. eRank also allows you to check what is trending on Etsy. You can take inspiration from Etsy results as both marketplaces are almost similar and their trends are very similar. So here we have searched Halloween with Etsy as marketplace. Halloween is a very broad term and is very saturated, so you can add different words with your primary keyword to niche it down until desired results are achieved. You can find the best trending tags from the top tags section, and you will get all the tags with their CTR, average clicks, and a lot of useful information. You can niche down your tags to increase the chances of getting sales and getting ranked higher. For example, here I'm searching for trick or treat, and as you can see, it has good CTR and better average clicks, also less competition. Let's try searching trick or treat on Zazzle. Here you can see it have very little competition with just a bit over 500 designs. Well, that's it for this video. Hope this was helpful for you. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, stay awesome and stay creative.